Hello YouTube, you wanna know who it is? It's your girl Olympia and I'm on YouTube, and if you wanna know what this channel is all about, this channel is about makeup videos, lifestyle vlogs and many more interesting stuff. So please subscribe to my channel and please hit the post notifications also, that you get notified every time I post a video. And today's video is gonna be about my daily routine makeup that I do on a daily basis. And let's not go for further ado, let's get this video started. So today I'm gonna show you what I do on a regular basis when I go out, and this is gonna be a very simple makeup and you can do it very easily. So first and foremost is that you have to prep your skin, because your skin needs hydration, and do not forget the lips too. So I have already prepped my skin, and you know this is summer, so don't forget to apply sunscreen before going out. So the sunscreen I use is this Lakme Sun Expert, and mine is SPF 24, and if you need more you can opt for more SPFs. So this is a light feel lotion, so you don't have to worry about your skin gets like you freak out for your skin, like you feel it dry, and don't worry because you have to moisturize it first. So now I have moisturized my skin. Now I'll apply this Sun Expert cream. Not much, and this is the amount I use, and this is enough for my face and neck. So apply it very gently and apply a generous layer, because you don't want to get tan, because you know this is India. So I have applied my sunscreen. Now what I'm gonna do is I am going to apply a concealer, but before that I'll do my brow. I do a very light brow because I don't like that thick bushy brows, but then that's very like awkward, but I don't like a bushy brow. So now, and for the eyebrow part, I'm gonna use this Music Flower gel liner, and this does a very nice job for me, and I like this a lot. I have taken the wrong brush. This is people make really funny faces while doing their brow or putting on mascara. I know that's quite common. And after filling my brow, what I generally like to do is I brush it so that it gets evenly out. And let's do for the other eye as well. Now again I'll brush it so that it gets distributed evenly. Now what I'll do is I'll clean the edges with the concealer, and the concealer I am using is from Swiss Beauty. Swiss Beauty and my shade is 04. My shade number is 04. And I use a brush like this to clean the edges. I am generally not a big foundation person. Like, I don't put foundation on daily basis. I just like to go for a smooth look, for daily look, and I just apply concealer on the spots I need, and that's all. I need some more concealer. And now it's time to blend, and the beauty blender I'm using is from MAC, which I have got from a local store. I did not buy the beauty sponge online because I found it in my local store and I did not go for online. I do a lot online shopping, that's a different issue, but then I got it for, like, I wanted this sponge and I couldn't wait for so long to be delivered. So what I did is I went to a very near local shop and then I got it. And this is a very nice sponge, guys. Just see, this is so soft. This is like butter soft. And now what I'm gonna do is I am left with some concealer here and I'll just fill in the areas where I need to conceal, and that's all. No foundation and nothing. I got some breakouts here, so I will apply here my under eye, because you can see I have great dark circles on the eyelid, bridge of my nose, and some here because I have a bit redness, and a bit here so that a little light. Here. So this, my concealer works for my foundation also, like it acts like a foundation as well. Now blend. This concealer gets blended really easy. Like if you buy this, you will be in love with this concealer, and that's true, guys. Even I got this from my local market. You can buy it online also. This is available in Flipkart, Amazon, Nykaa, everywhere. And you can buy it from the Swiss Beauty site also. It's very affordable. I got it for maybe 200 rupees. I don't know the price, but I have to see the packet, but I lost the packet. So see, My whole face changed, bro. I said you this works as a foundation as well. You don't need foundation on daily basis actually. I look really white, guys, but then I'll blend it all in. I don't know why do I look so white here. Maybe because of the camera lighting, but I am not so looking so white here in my real life. And for my powder, I use this Maybelline New York Super Fresh Compact, and this is also in, and the shade number is I am not able to find the shade number, but I'll let you know. I don't powder it every places of my face. I only powder the places where I sweat and where I need. If you like powder the whole face, your face will look really chalky and you probably won't like that. So I powder only the places I feel like I need to. Now again I'll blend this with the sponge. So if you ask me that do I put shadows on everyday thing, then I'll tell you I don't put shadows on everyday basis, but then a little bit color is needed. So for my shadows I'll be using the Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe, though this is not the real one, but then the pigmentation is really good. So actually I'm in love with this palette. So you can't tell, it's like this is not necessary that you have to buy the high-end products every time, but affordable products and dupe products might also be a good purchase, you know. So for my shadow I will do something nudish kind. So first I'm gonna apply a very lighter color to my crease, and I'm gonna apply this color on my crease, and this will be the only color that I am applying on my crease. And as I said, you're very light makeup, so I'm gonna apply this on my lower lash also, not much but little. And I'm using this blending brush. This is very soft and gentle on the eye, so I like this brush a lot. On my lower lash. Now for my lid, I'm gonna take a flat brush like this, and I'm gonna apply this champagne, this pinkish shade on the lid. And that's it for my eyes. I hope you can see. That's it for my eyes. I don't do liner every day. Rather, I opt for a mascara look because I like the mascara thing more than liner. I like liner, but not every day because you need to be as natural as possible. I don't have a lash curler, so I can't curl like that, but then I can make my eye look like that with the help of mascara itself. So I generally don't need curler, but one day I will try. So and be careful, don't poke your eye. Like, I don't know about you all, but then I have poked my eye a lot of times with the mascara, and you won't believe my whole makeup got ruined for just this poking. That's funny, isn't it? Now my eye look is done, and that's all for my eye look. And now a little bit blush. Sorry, a little bit blush. Just to show some love to my cheeks. I love blush actually. I won't lie, but I love putting on blush. Like, you won't believe how much I love putting on blush. But then, this is a neutral makeup, so I cannot. And for blush, I'll be putting this. I love putting on blush, guys. I just love putting on blush. And this is also from Swiss Beauty, and you don't have to put a lot of amount. You can take just a little bit amount, and on my nose as well. This does it works. Just a little bit, and see, I just dipped it once or twice. Now a little bit blending is needed here. If you think this is too much, then you can blend it with your sponge, and a little bit on my chin as well. I like putting on blush everywhere anyways. And blush is done. Now time for the highlighter. I am going for this blush palette consists of highlighters and blush as well. So, and there is a contour shade there. I'll explain you later, but then I'm going for this champagne shade. Not champagne, it's like peachy shade. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. And you can see the glow. Oh my god. This highlighter is not at all chalky, guys. Not at all chalky. On my brow bone. Highlighting is not like you have to do it for occasions only. You can do it anytime. Highlighting is love. So yeah, and last but not the least, it's time for lipstick. And again, I will tell you this again, that dupes are also good. Like, this is from the duplicate Huda Beauty, but then I like it. This works for me. And this is a brown shade, and when I go for a light makeup, I go for this dark lipsticks because I like myself that way. My hair disturbs me a lot. So yeah, this is my everyday go-to makeup look. I hope you can see. So if you like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe and post the notifications on so that you get notified every time I post a video. And do not forget to like, share and comment. Love you. Bye bye.